Hello, sir. I'm your host from Prime Time. Sir, I would like to ask your name first. Your name?
My name is Ehsan Garg. I am the CEO of Northern India Engineering College, Delhi.
Very well, sir. How are you feeling with this award?
Yes, we are very happy to get this award. Our institute is the biggest institute as on date in IP University, and we have all the 6 trades in engineering, BTech, and MBA and MCA. We have the main courses, and we have our students are getting the best awards from the university. So we are very happy to get these awards.
Sir, I believe in front of your hard work and other things, our award is a small one, but we are happy and glad that you are feeling good. And your views about Prime Time?
Prime Times, yes, they are one of the leading this advertising for this one. The institute, they are floating the message to the public that they are very good, and we are happy to share with their views. Thank you.
Sir, I salute to your hard work. Thank you for being with us. But how you feel?
मैं बहुत अच्छा फील कर रहा हूँ और हमारा मैनेजमेंट भी काफ़ी अच्छा फील कर रहा है और मैं अप्रिशिएट करता हूँ कि आप लोग ने इस अवार्ड को हम लोग को दिया है और ये काफ़ी मायने रखता है हमारे लिए।
सर थैंक यू फॉर अप्रिशिएटिंग अस। साथ साथ सर मैं ये जानना चाहूँगी कि आपके एफर्ट्स और डिजिग्नेशन और आपकी मेहनत का सफ़र ये कैसा कैसा रहा?
हाँ, ये काफ़ी नॉस्टैल्जिक जर्नी रहा। ये कॉलेज 2008 में शुरू हुआ और उसके बाद से ये काफ़ी तरक्की करता आ रहा है और हम लोग का ये एफर्ट है कि हम लोग इस कॉलेज को इंडिया का बेस्ट कॉलेज बना दें।
सर आप कॉलेज का नाम बताएंगे?
केपी इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज आगरा।
सर मैं आपसे सवाल पूछना चाहूँगी, कभी कोई इस सफ़र में एक ऐसी दिक्कत आई होगी जिससे आपको लगा होगा कि ये मतलब अब बस हो ही नहीं सकता कुछ भी सॉल्व, तो ऐसी क्या चीज़ थी जिसने आपको हिम्मत दी?
देखिए, आप कोई भी काम अच्छा शुरू करेंगे तो कठिनाइयाँ तो आती ही हैं और सबसे ज़रूरी चीज़ है कि आपका डिटर्मिनेशन होना चाहिए कि मैं इन चीज़ों को, इन ऑब्स्टेकल्स को दूर कर दूंगा और टीम वर्क एफर्ट्स के साथ हम लोग ने काम किया और दूर किया उसे।
बिल्कुल सर, आपके इस खूबसूरत से वक्त के लिए धन्यवाद और बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे मिलके। थैंक यू। हेलो सर, मैं सबसे पहले आपका नाम और आपकी डिजिग्नेशन जानना चाहूँगी। ये आपकी
Director, she is Susri Sital Mahapatra, and me, Chairman Dr. Srinivas Mahapatra from Presidency College, Odisha.
उड़ीसा सर। सर सबसे पहले मैं कुछ शब्द चाहूँगी आपकी तरफ से कि आप इस अवार्ड पे जो आपको मिला है उस पे बोलें कि हाउ यू आर फीलिंग।
Yes, I am feeling the perfect because it is for the people, those who have excelled in the college, for them only we could able to get it.
बिल्कुल सही सर। वैसे हम जानते हैं कि आपके लिए छोटा सा सल्यूट ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं रहा होगा क्योंकि बिकॉज आपकी हार्ड वर्किंग, आपके एफर्ट्स और जितना भी आपने स्ट्रगल करा है इस लाइन के लिए, दैट वन इज़ लाइक फॉर सल्यूट। तो सर फिर भी आप कुछ प्राइम टाइम के बारे में बोलना चाहें?
You see, if at all I can say, we could able to get the award because of the placement. And so Prime Time is really taking care of these things, and we should thankful for the Prime Time that they are not only identifying the institution, honoring them, which ultimately motivates the people across the country.
Ma'am, something from your side, please do.
I'm very pleased that ma'am told about girls' education, and I think it is the most encourageable topic nowadays. And I hope our institution with Prime Time goes ahead with the thought which our guest said. Thank you.
सर एक क्वेश्चन और आपसे, दिस वन इज़ लास्ट। मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी कि कुछ ऐसा प्लान आपके मतलब अभी माइंड में हो एजुकेशन की और लाइक हम बेहतर से बेहतर कर सकें, इसे एजुकेशन क्वालिटी बढ़ा सकें, उसके रिगार्डिंग कोई न्यू प्लान, कुछ नई सोच एक?
The value added education or need based education should start from the prime education level. Let there be engineering at 10th class, medical education at +2 level, not at the degree level. As it is.
सर वेरी ब्यूटीफुल लाइन्स एंड वर्ड्स सेड बाय यू। थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू सर। तो यहाँ प्राइम टाइप के इस अवार्ड फंक्शन में मैं आपका स्वागत करती हूँ। सबसे पहले मैं आपका नाम और डिजिग्नेशन जानना चाहती हूँ।
डॉक्टर जेपी अग्रवाल एंड मैं डायरेक्टर ऑफ CSCS जेपी अग्रवाल कॉमर्स CA क्लासेस का डायरेक्टर हूँ।
सर मैं
छत्तीसगढ़ से बिलोंग करता हूँ मैं।
सर मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ कि ऐसा कौन सा स्ट्रगल है जो आपकी लाइफ में सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट रहा हो?
इंपॉर्टेंट ये है कि जो भी चीज़ हम कर रहे हैं वो उसमें कॉन्फिडेंस होनी चाहिए, बिकॉज क्या होता है फर्स्ट थिंग हम ये नेगेटिव सोच बहुत ज़्यादा रखते हैं, तो वो चीज़ ना हो। जो भी हम कर रहे हैं उसके लिए पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग, पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड, पॉजिटिव वे होना चाहिए। तो ज़रूर सक्सेस होते हैं फिर लोग।
सर कोई मैसेज इस जनरेशन के लिए आपकी तरफ से?
वही है कि जो भी करना चाहते हैं वो फर्स्ट थिंग तो वो डिसाइड कर लें कि क्या बनना चाह रहे हैं या क्या करना चाह रहे हैं। सेकंड थिंग उसके लिए सही तरीके से इम्प्लीमेंट करें या सही वे पे वो आगे बढ़ें। शॉर्टकट वे पे अगर वो चाहेंगे तो सक्सेस नहीं मिल पाता।
मतलब आपके हिसाब से आज का यूथ काफ़ी कंफ्यूज्ड है।
कन्फ्यूज है या तो उसको सबसे पहले तो ये डिसाइड करना होगा कि वो चाहते क्या है, किस फील्ड में जाना चाहते हैं या क्या करना चाहते हैं, लाइफ में क्या अचीव करना चाहते हैं। फर्स्ट थिंग तो डिसाइड कर ले अपने मोटो। देन सेकंड थिंग उसके बाद उनको वो उस पे प्रॉपर वे पे प्लानिंग करनी होगी, पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड रखना होगा। सेकंड थिंग अपने जो पेरेंट्स हैं या गार्जियंस हैं, माता पिता या उनकी जो वे है या उनकी जो सोच है उसको लेके चलना होगा। आज का यूथ क्या होता है, जो बड़े कह रहे हैं वो हम नहीं करेंगे, बाकी वो अपनी ज़रूर करेंगे, ऐसा होता है। तो वो चीज़ें ना हो, ऐसा है।
सर बेहद खूबसूरत वर्ड और अल्फाज आपकी तरफ से। अब बस मैं आपसे एक छोटी सी चीज़ और जानना चाहूँगी। आपको ये अवार्ड फंक्शन में अवार्ड मिला और प्राइम टाइम की तरफ से जितने भी एफर्ट्स रहे आपको कैसे लगे?
सबसे पहले तो मैं प्राइम टाइम को बहुत बहुत थैंक्स कहूँगा कि उन्होंने मुझे इस लायक समझा या सेलेक्ट किया इस अवार्ड के लिए। सेकंड थिंग उन्हीं की बदौलत आज ये एक नेशनल लेवल पे मुझे अवार्ड मिला है और आगे चल के ये मेरे लिए भी एक और बड़ी जिम्मेदारी हो गई कि उस अवार्ड का जब मान रखते हुए मैं और बेस्ट करूँ ताकि अगेन मैं उसको फिर से अवार्ड ले सकूँ और इस फील्ड में ऐसा है।
सर थैंक यू वेरी मच। और आपके लिए मैं बस इतना ही कहना चाहूँगी कि ये अवार्ड वाकई दिस वन इज़ अ स्मॉल सल्यूट फ्रॉम आवर साइड। थैंक यू। सर मैं आपका स्वागत करती हूँ यहाँ पे। क्या मैं आपका नाम और डेजिग्नेशन जान सकती हूँ?
I am Chitranjan Behra from Saffron Public School, Odisha. I am the chairman of this school.
सर मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहती हूँ आपके यहाँ उड़ीसा में आपके अपने स्कूल में आपका स्ट्रगल कैसा रहा, क्या क्या दिक्कतें थी जो आपको जिसका सामना करना पड़ा?
राइट जो हमारा जो स्कूल है वहाँ की लोकल समस्या को देखते हुए यहाँ बनाए हैं। स्पेशली आई एम लिविंग इन फरीदाबाद, लेकिन मैंने उड़ीसा से बिलोंग करता हूँ तो मुझे वहाँ पे लगा काफ़ी सारे ड्रॉबैक्स है एजुकेशन को लेके, काफ़ी सारे गैप्स है जो रूरल और अर्बन के बीच में हैं। उस चीज़ को दूर करने के लिए हमने एक सोशल वर्क की तरह कर रहे हैं और बड़ी मिनिमम और लो प्राइस लेके हमने कर रहे हैं। कुछ हम पैसे अभी भी अपनी जेब से लगा रहे हैं। इसीलिए हमारा जो मेन इंटेंशन है एक यूनिफॉर्म एजुकेशन हो रूरल और अर्बन बेल्ट के अंदर।
सर हैट्स ऑफ टू योर एफर्ट्स एंड हार्ड वर्क। मैं आपसे बस एक चीज़ और पूछना चाहूँगी, जैसे अगर एजुकेशन उसमें आपने क्वालिटीज़ इसकी इंक्रीज़ करने की कोशिश करी, काफ़ी एफर्ट्स लगाए, गर्ल्स को लेके क्या प्रॉब्लम आई, गर्ल्स स्टूडेंट को लेके?
नहीं, जहाँ तक बात जो उड़ीसा की बात है, जो मेरा जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट की बात है, वहाँ पे गर्ल्स और बॉयज़ को लेके ऐसे कोई समस्या तो है नहीं ऐसे मैं आपको बताऊँ। लेकिन हाँ, पेरेंट्स लेवल पे थोड़ी सी समस्या है। मैंने पिछली बार सुना था कुछ पेरेंट्स जो है वो अपनी बॉयज़ को स्कूल पे इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल में पढ़ा रहे हैं, लेकिन गर्ल्स को अभी भी उड़िया मीडियम जो लोकल मीडियम पे पढ़ा रहे हैं। वो बोल रहे थे ये लड़की पढ़ के करेगा क्या, लेकिन वी आर नाउ कन्विंसिंग टू देम नाउ देयर इज़ नो डिफरेंस इन द गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज़ and we suppose if you feel any financial crisis due to the education of girls, we will be take it free. There is no doubt, but some in the maximum cases that is not somewhere is now it is the differences in Odisha also.
ठीक है सर, थैंक यू। मतलब आपके एफर्ट्स, आपको यकीन है कि आप जितनी भी अब प्रॉब्लम्स है वो फ्यूचर में नहीं रहने वाली, जल्द ही जाने वाली हैं।
बिल्कुल, एजुकेशन ही एक एजुकेशन ही ऐसा ही एक माध्यम है जहाँ जिसके द्वारा आप ये संसार की हर चीज़ समस्या हो सकती है। इसीलिए मेरा हमेशा 3 चीज़ के ऊपर नारा रहता है, शिक्षा, स्वास्थ्य और विकास। स्वास्थ्य अच्छा रहे लोगों की, एजुकेशन में बढ़ोतरी हो और कंटिन्यूस ग्रोथ होनी चाहिए लोगों के अंदर। जब तक कंटिन्यूस डेवलपमेंट नहीं होगी, जब तक ग्रोथ नहीं होगी, तब तक बात नहीं बनेगी। इसीलिए हम भी स्वास्थ्य के ऊपर, हेल्थ के ऊपर कुछ अभी करने जा रहे हैं, बट इट इज़ वेरी इनिशियल स्टेज, बट वी आर नाउ ग्रोइंग अप। एंड हमारे स्कूल तो अभी बहुत बड़ी नहीं है, लेकिन इन फ्यूचर में ये बहुत बड़ी बनने वाली है।
ठीक है सर। सर मैं जानना चाहूँगी ये छोटा सा जितना भी आपको अवार्ड मिला है, जो सम्मान मिला है आज प्राइम टाइम की ओर से, इसके बारे में आप कुछ शब्द दे तो बहुत।
प्राइम टाइम को मैं जितना भी धन्यवाद दूँ ये बहुत कम होगी, बिकॉज ऑफ ये बड़ी इफ़र्ट है प्राइम टाइम को एक उड़ीसा में एक छोटी सी स्कूल को इतने बड़े शहर पे लाके और इतनी बड़ी अवार्ड मिलना हमारे लिए तो गर्व की बात है। और मुझे लगता है ये जो एनर्जी होगी हमारे लिए, मुझे लगता है बहुत आगे तक हमें ले जाएगी। और प्राइम टाइम को मेरे पूरा तहे दिल से बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। और हम चाहे आप लोगों ने ऐसे कंटिन्यू करते रहें और ऐसे हमारे जैसे छोटे छोटे स्कूल को प्रमोट करते रहें। और इसके द्वारा मुझे लगता है ये ये सिर्फ प्राइम टाइम हमारे लिए नहीं कर रहा है, मैं तो ये बोलूँगा ये प्राइम टाइम पूरा देश और दुनिया के लिए कर रहा है। शिक्षा ऐसा ही ये माध्यम है जिसके द्वारा ही ये संसार में सब कुछ संभव है। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू सर। क्या मैं आपका नाम, आपकी डेजिग्नेशन का यहाँ स्वागत करती हूँ। मैं आपकी होस्ट। सर, मे आई नो योर नेम फर्स्ट प्लीज?
Myself Dr. Pradeep Javandia.
एंड सर योर डेजिग्नेशन?
Myself Principal for Pankaj Ladar Institute of Technology and Management Studies, Buldana.
सर, मैं आपसे सिर्फ एक ही सवाल जानना चाहूँगी कि जितना भी आपका ये सफ़र रहा और आपका एक मैसेज जो आप अपने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए और दुनिया के लिए देना चाहेंगे, और आपकी सफ़र की कितनी दिक्कतें थी, कैसा रहा, उसके बारे में कुछ अल्फाज।
Being an institute of a remote region, what is my intention towards the student is that rather than asking the jobs for future, they should be the entrepreneur and they should be the provider of the jobs rather than asking the jobs. So this is what my basic intention. And the most, when you have asked about me the suffer, basically when it comes to the suffer, it is very typical because I belongs to the remote region and the student which is I am taking for my institution are all from remote regions, and but we are putting the efforts and they are none the less than the whole world student. Finally they are going to prove that they are the best among the world students.
सर, मैं उस छोटी सी जगह का नाम जानना चाहूँगी जिसमें से आप हीरे तराश रहे हैं।
ये जगह है महाराष्ट्र में बुल्ढाना. Even though it is a district place, but it is an ancient place which is being recognized from the last means when India was before independence also. It has its own existence, being a place for known as a hill station, but it is very much not connected to the roots which is there in the India.
सर, अब प्राइम टाइम ने आपको ये अवार्ड दिया, छोटा सा अवार्ड जिससे हमने आपको सम्मानित किया, इसके बारे में और कुछ अल्फाज प्राइम टाइम के बारे में कि आपको कैसा लगता है जो भी सर्वे हम कंडक्ट कर रहे हैं उसमें।
Yes, definitely I will like to thank first of all the Prime Time because they have given an opportunity, and it is really a motivational kind of thing which the Prime Time has taken the initiative, and we would like to prove that in the near future, and definitely I will see that one day will be there. The Prime Time who has awarded all these institutions, they will come and see what is the institution status and exactly the institution which they have awarded, they are doing something better for India.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू फॉर योर वैल्यूएबल टाइम। आप दोनों का वेलकम करना चाहूँगी और मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप अपना नाम और डेजिग्नेशन मुझे जल्दी से बता दें।
Myself is Rahul Tiwari, Secretary Rahul Education.
Krishna Tiwari, Joint Secretary Rahul Education. Now we are receiving this award. I'm very thankful to Prime Time just because they are recognizing us in the part of management for this award. This is wonderful award. We are actually we are awarding ourselves, you know, we are in the management. I mean, that's great. And what can I say about this award? I'm so glad. I don't have words to talk about, but then I'm very happy that in education this kind of innovation by Prime Time and many more education consultancies have come into picture. That is really wonderful.
Okay, so ma'am had said enough, and something from your side, a message please.
Our motto is education for all, so we believe in that, and we are conducting all type of possibility to give a better education in all the field, in all the department, from roots, from I can say from the down kind of societies also. We are providing education to them also, and from the masses to classes also. So that we believe that education for all, and we are doing the best in our field. That's why we are receiving the awards also. Thank you Prime Academy for doing and conducting this kind of award ceremony and recognize our efforts in the field of education.
Thank you sir, thank you ma'am. आपका स्वागत करती हूँ. Good evening. May I know your name please?
Dr. Ganeshan from Takshashila Junior College, Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh.
Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh. Sir, a message from your side on social prejudice.
Social prejudice in the sense that if you look at the weaker sections in India, I think overall in the country it's about 52%. The government needs to elevate them, and if we look at the country on the bigger picture, then we'll have to keep in mind that until and unless we raise this 52% above the poverty line, then India will be said to be a world power, economic in terms of economic or whatever we call it. Otherwise, we'll be going on spending our entire finances in trying to elevate them both in education and health. Without these two sectors growing up to the next level, we cannot call India as a world economic power.
Sir, this award is maybe small for you in front of your efforts and hard work. So, but few words for Prime Time and for this award, please.
Before I go on, what we are basically doing in the field of education is, if you look at any so-called great schools in India, they are concentrating basically on medical and engineering. We have taken a different line altogether. The number of students who are actually entering into medical and engineering is about 12%, the country as a whole. Every school is interested in only educating students for science and engineering. We are taking care of the 85%. What we have done is we have started skill development courses right from class 9th. We have a total of 12 courses, 3 from class 9th, and from 11th and 12th we are having 11 courses which we are running. The idea is to give a pathway to the children, the 85% who simply do what we call as BCom, BA, or BSc and things like that. They don't get a job. The degrees we are providing under the university in India is basically an ornamental degree. It is not a degree which is employable, which gives employment to
So, can you elaborate about the courses, that what type of courses they are?
we are doing at 11th class, 11th and 12th. We have financial market management, a tie-up with National Stock Exchange. So the children do beginners module and mutual fund advanced module in class 11th. And in 12th, they do derivatives and capital market. Now, capital market, derivatives market, mutual fund is normally done by MBA students in final year. So we are actually developing skills at a very young age, because this is the age where the brain development is at its peak. After the age of 16, it's all through experience. IQ level is only up to the age of 16. So we are catching the children young, right from 9th, so that they get into the skill sector at a very young age. We say skill development comes from polytechnics. No, I believe that school education actually starts building skills. Like when we teach something to a child, no professor, no teacher tells the child why we are teaching the topic, what is the value of the topic, where is it going to be applied in everyday life. We simply blindly teach the children, this is the chapter, this is the test, and at the end of the day, everything is over. We have to regulate assessments, evaluations in a way that whatever they learn, they are able to apply it in everyday life, and they should be competent in sense when they go out into the world, into the market. So that's what we are targeting. And if you look at India 2025, India has about 800 million children who are going into the employable stage 10 years down the line. If our education system is not going to concentrate on the processes, I think we'll be left behind with a very huge unemployment and a country that's going to be difficult to feed in. So this is one of the, and the courses that we are doing are more industrial oriented. So we have National Stock Exchange, a tie-up. We have transport management with Transport Corporation of India. We have hospitality management and tourism with the Ministry of Tourism. We have hospital management. And then we have mass media and this one. We have remote sensing from Rolta Industries, Mumbai. Now, all these starts from class 11th and 12th. So when they finish class 12, they have a pathway. Somebody wants to go for remote sensing sector, somebody wants to go tourism, somebody wants to go to health sector. It's not that only science and engineering is going to provide everything.
But there are many more things except science streams.
Much better paying, and gives them an advantage. And the courses we are doing are all evergreen courses. Health sector is always going to be there. Hospitality is going to be there. Mass media is going to be there. Transport management is going to be there. And
So now, few words for Prime Time, please.
I think Prime Time is doing a wonderful job. It's doing an excellent job in recognizing people who are doing something. And this gives an incentive, builds up a competitive spirit. I think India is a country where competition actually elevates benchmarking. And I think what they are doing is a great job, a wonderful job, so that others will look at it and they will come to the level to excellence. So that's the whole idea behind it, and I think they have done a very wonderful job. Yet they should keep doing it on regular basis so that people understand what is the value of being recognized.
Sure, sir. Thank you for your wonderful words and valuable time. First of all, I would like to know your name and your designation.
My name is Satyapal Gadwal, Secretary, Vedant College of Engineering and Technology, Bundi.
And sir, institute? योर इंस्टीट्यूट?
वेदांत कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग एंड टेक्नोलॉजी।
सर, एंड सबसे पहले मैं आपसे सिर्फ एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहूँगी कि ऐसा कौन सा वो काम था जिसे करने में आपको सबसे ज़्यादा दिक्कत आई हो, और कुछ ऐसी चीज़ हो जिसने आपको इंस्पायर करा हो उसे करने के लिए?
ये कॉलेज जो है वो बूंदी डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है और वहाँ पे एजुकेशन बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, और ऐसी जगह पे इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज एस्टेब्लिश करना एक अपने आप में चैलेंज था। मीडिया में भी काफ़ी वो हुआ कि यहाँ पे लोग जाने से डरते हैं, वहाँ पे इंजीनियर बनाएंगे ये लोग, लेकिन आज 2008 में स्टार्ट किया था और आप 2014 में बेस्ट इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज इन राजस्थान का अवार्ड जो मिल रहा है, तो आप अपने आप देख सकते हैं क्या।
तो सर, क्या स्पिरिट थी जिसने आपको मतलब इस मुकाम तक पहुंचाया और आगे तक लेके जाएगा?
मेरा स्टार्टिंग से ही ये सोच थी कि कुछ अलग किया जाए एजुकेशन के बाद में, अपना कोई भी ऐसा काम जिससे समाज को कुछ दिशा मिल सके, ऐसा काम करने का सोच रखा था। तो उसी
सर, आपकी सोच बेहद ही खूबसूरत है। अब मैं चाहूँगी कि आप कुछ अल्फाज इस छोटे से अवार्ड की तरफ फेंकें और साथ ही साथ एक प्राइम टाइम के नाम कुछ।
प्राइम टाइम का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, और ऐसे लोगों को हम जैसे लोगों को मौका दिया जो पूरे दुनिया के सामने आज ये अवार्ड मिला है, तो अपने आप में थैंक यू।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू फॉर योर वैल्यूएबल टाइम। सबसे पहले मैं वेलकम करना चाहूँगी दो ब्यूटीफुल लेडीज़ का रिकग्निशन।
I'm Dr. Reena R. Kumar, and I happen to be the Principal and Dean of Divya Jyoti College of Dental Sciences and Research in Ghaziabad.
एंड मैम, आपके बारे में प्लीज़।
Dr. Smriti Claire, I'm the CEO of the Divya Jyoti Group of Institutions, Modi Nagar.
मैम, एक मैसेज आपकी तरफ से आज के यूथ के लिए, उनके पेरेंट्स के लिए और इस सोसाइटी के लिए।
The youth of today is highly driven. They are not somebody who is going to make any compromises. Do you mind a little further? Huh? They're not going to make any compromises. So we believe that at Divya Jyoti, we are going to create an atmosphere which suits their requirements. And they know that when they come here, it is a student-centric area with great education and the facilities which allows them to be great clinicians, researchers, academicians in the future, and the future of India where dental surgeons are concerned.
मैम, आपसे मैं पूछना चाहूँगी अबाउट द स्ट्रगल ऑफ यूथ, जिससे कुछ मैसेज ऐसा, कुछ ऐसा इंस्पायरेशन जिससे वो अपने स्ट्रगल को पूरा कर सके और आगे बढ़ सके।
The message that I would like to give to the students and to everybody else is that I recently learnt at a function that we attended together something said by Nelson Mandela, that education is a weapon that can be used to change the world. So what we learn in our course, in our everyday life, education is one thing that that we can use to change the entire world. That is one thing. So it's very important. And that's the kind of importance that needs to be given by the society, by the government, and by each one of us to this field.
Now, ma'am, few words for prime time, please.
Anybody who recognizes education and the impact of it, I believe, is to be lauded. So I believe that Prime Time stands to be lauded very heavily, and we stand grateful to Prime Time to recognize us. Thank you, Prime Time.
Please, ma'am, few words from your side too.
Yes, it was a great platform here that all the dignitaries in the field of education, they were gathered at one place, and we especially enjoyed, both of us, by what was said by Mr. Anand Kumar, how passionate he was about the subject, about the field that he was working in. We hope that that passion is contagious and it goes into each one of us who's here, and we thrive to do more and thrive to achieve excellence.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your valuable time. मैम, मैं आपका यहाँ वेलकम करती हूँ और आई वांट टू नो योर नेम, डिजिग्नेशन एंड योर यूनिवर्सिटी और इंस्टीट्यूट नेम।
My name is Sonika Sharma and I am Principal GD Goenka Public School, Siliguri. And we have got the Best School Award for Residential. And our school is having 500 boarders, and it is a combination of traditional, value-based and the advanced technology-based education in our school. That is why I really would like to thank Prime Time for acknowledging the hard work of the children as well as my team. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your valuable time. So, ma'am, I would like to welcome you first, and now I want to know your name, designation, and your university name.
See, I am CA Anuj Goyal, President of Reliable Institute of Management and Technology, and we have been adjudged the best management college of Delhi NCR. We are having Poonam Goyal ji. She is the Director of Reliable Institute of Management and Technology.
So, ma'am, one question from you. What make your college best?
See, we are putting our heart and soul to see that how we can impart not only the theoretical education but best of the practical exposure to each and every student, and how we can have the best of the placement for each and every one. So this is our, I think, USP, I would say.
And ma'am, few words from your side as a message.
हम अपने स्टूडेंट्स का यही है कि केवल एजुकेशनल के फील्ड में ही नहीं बल्कि ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट करते हैं। हर जितनी भी एक्टिविटीज़ होती हैं हमारा हर स्टूडेंट उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करता है।
So, ma'am, I know that this award is small one, but few words for Prime Time and for this award.
See, I think Prime Time is doing wonders for the cause of the education, and that gives a lot of motivation to each and every education institution which is getting this, I will say, recognition. And I think it's our endeavor that Prime Time should judge our Reliable Institute as the best management institute of the country in the times to come.
It is indeed. Thank you for your valuable time.
Thank you.
I welcome you both. I want to know your name, designation, and as well as your institute name.
Hi, this is Sachin Saraswat. I am the Managing Director of International Institute of Fashion and Arts, Agra.
So, what make your institute different one as compared to others? What is the different and specific quality of your own institute?
Our strength is basically our USP is our students only. We concentrate on their studies and their practical work, and this is the only institution in India which is providing the students very best education.
So, according to you, practical is what which adds to professionalism.
Very true, which adds to the professionalism.
So, a message for today's youth and maybe for your own students.
Well, I always say to my students that they should do whatever they want to do, and with a very perfection level. They should really do whatever they want to do. Thank you.
So, a few words for Prime Time and for this award.
It was a really great event which we had, and we are very thankful to Prime Time to give us this opportunity. Thank you.
And ma'am, from your side, please do.
I am so happy. Thank you so much for everything, for all event. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's our honor. मैम, सबसे पहले मैं आपका वेलकम करती हूँ और मैं आपका नाम, डिजिग्नेशन और आपके इंस्टीट्यूट का नाम जानना चाहती हूँ।
Sure. My name is Mrs. Deepa Verma. I represent IAIT Group of Institution from Varanasi, and we have one best upcoming technical and management college in UP.
What make your institution best among others?
Our results, our placements, our track records that make us best upcoming college in Uttar Pradesh.
Any message for society and for social prejudice?
Basically for education, because I belong to the education sector, I must say that in the education sector we all need to improve day by day, enhance the quality of education so that we can nourish good and better future for our country. And for that we will say to the students that they keep on putting the sincere efforts in the field of education.
Ma'am, few points and your own thought for Prime Time and for this award.
Prime Time is working very nicely. Actually, in education needs always encouragement, and this type of encouragement always enhance the level of education in this sector. And I'll be sincerely thanks Prime Time for providing us this honor.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your valuable time. So, सबसे पहले मैं आपका स्वागत करती हूँ आज की शाम में एक बार फिर से, और अब मैं आपका नाम, आपकी डिजिग्नेशन और आपकी इंस्टीट्यूट का नाम जानना चाहती हूँ।
मेरा नाम असीम पाल है और मैं रामा कोचिंग भिलाई का डायरेक्टर हूँ।
सर, आपकी कोचिंग में जितने भी आपने एफर्ट्स डाले हैं, जो आपका लाइफ टाइम स्ट्रगल रहा है इसके साथ, जो जितना आपने अपने लाइफ का हिस्सा इसे डिवोट करा है, उसके बारे में कुछ।
देखिए, मैंने आज से 16 साल पहले इसको चालू किया और उसके बाद मैंने कम पैसे में लोगों को गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स के लिए प्रेरित किया, और आज जब 16 साल हो गए हैं तो मेरे इंस्टीट्यूट से 7,000 से अधिक बच्चे गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स में लगे हैं। विशेष करके बैंक में सबसे ज़्यादा बच्चे, उसके बाद रेलवे और एसएससी एवं अन्य स्टेट गवर्नमेंट में भी बहुत सारे बच्चे लगे।
तो आपको मतलब अब काफ़ी प्राइड फील होता होगा अपने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जो आपके लिए एकदम ऑनर एज अ साबित हुए हैं। तो कुछ अपना एक मैसेज अपने स्टूडेंट्स के नाम जिन्होंने कामयाबी का वो पद पाके आपके लिए आपका नाम रोशन करा है।
हाँ, उनको सबको तो ये धन्यवाद मैं ये देना चाहूँगा कि उन्होंने मेरी पढ़ाई को एक अच्छा रूप दिया और उसको अपनाते हुए न केवल मेरा नाम ऊंचा किया बल्कि अपने परिवार को भी संजोया है।
सर, अब एक कुछ मैसेज प्राइम टाइम के लिए और साथ ही साथ आपको कैसा लगा ये अवार्ड लेके? माना कि ये अवार्ड आपके लिए कुछ छोटा है, आपके एफर्ट्स के आगे, बट फिर भी कुछ अल्फाज इस अवार्ड के लिए और प्राइम टाइम के लिए।
देखिए, प्राइम टाइम ये काम बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है कि पूरे देश से उन इंस्टीट्यूट को चूज़ कर रहा है कि जो अपने फील्ड में बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत कर रहे हैं और सफलता दिलवा रहे हैं। ऐसे इंस्टीट्यूट को चुन करके वो एजुकेशन अवार्ड दिलवा रहे हैं। तो प्राइम टाइम का धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा। और किसके बारे में बोल रहा था?
सर, थैंक यू फॉर योर वैल्यूएबल टाइम।
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Good evening. Sir, I would like to... Good evening, sir. First of all, I would like to know your name, designation and your university's name, institution.
All right, very good evening to you too. My name is Vikas Bajaj and I work with College of Engineering and Management, Kapurthala, Punjab as the director over there. And he's Mr. Awasthi. He is our head for admissions and this is what we do.
So, from your side, Mr. Awasthi, a message for students.
Message for students is only this. I think every student needs an education and good quality education, and you must see where you get a quality education. If you have a good faculty over there in giving grooming the students, not only in education and also building up their personality development, so they will definitely give a good education and give placements in our industries also.
So, what is best about today's student?
Today's students, they are more aware, they are more learned, they know which is the right institute for them and where to go, you know. I mean, earlier, students, they were not aware about about their rights and which institute they may join and come. But companies like Prime Media Research and all, they have really helped, you know, to bring this platform for us and, you know, recognize our work, appreciate it. And end of the day, everybody needs appreciation for the hard work we've been doing from last 12 years, you know. So, students are aware because of these functions, because of media, because of internet and things like that. So, students, I would say, they're more aware these days, you know, where to go and where not to go.
Sir, I would like to know a few words for Prime Time and for this award now.
Prime Time certainly has done a lot, you know, to recognize us. Every day we appreciate everybody, whether it is my staff or students, you know. We recognize their efforts. And somebody, you know, who is behind recognizing us for our hard work and for our achievements, it is certainly excellent, you know. And that is why I would like to congratulate them and thank them for their, you know, precious efforts, what they have done. And certainly would be like to be a part of it every year and year.
So now few words from your side, please.
Regarding Prime Time, this is a very good platform for all the institutes and colleges, those who are actually doing well in this academic things, and students definitely get their good opportunities to develop their career in different fields. Either maybe it may be arts, it may be a commerce, it may be a dental, it may be engineering, whatsoever they want to find their field. So they must choose a good platform so as to groom themselves. That's only.
So this one is a beautiful message. Thank you for your valuable time. Thank you. सर, मैं आपका यहाँ स्वागत करती हूँ सबसे पहले। अब मैं जानना चाहती हूँ आपका नाम, आपकी डेजिग्नेशन और साथ साथ आपके इंस्टीट्यूशन का नाम।
मेरा नाम है निमचंद सोनार and I have an institute called Aesthetic Institute of Design, Media and Management. It is in Raipur, and we just got an award for Best Interior Fashion Institute in Central India. I am very happy today actually.
सर, ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जो आपने अपने इंस्टीट्यूट के लिए डेडिकेट करी है जिससे वो कुछ एक स्पेशल, कुछ अलग, एक हटके बन के आया है?
See, what we are trying to do is actually traditional education छोड़ के हमने conventional education की तरफ जा रहे हैं, जैसे कि जहाँ वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग, वोकेशनल एजुकेशन जो कि खुद के पैर पे खड़ा होने के लिए जो भित्ति और उसका बेस बनता है, उसी टाइप का एजुकेशन हम देते हैं। और अभी तक 40% स्टूडेंट्स जो ऑलरेडी पास कर चुके हैं, जो मार्केट में आ चुके हैं, जो ऑलरेडी खुद का बिजनेस चालू कर चुके हैं। सो वी आर वेरी प्राउड ऑफ दैट।
सर, कुछ अल्फाज, कुछ शब्द प्राइम टाइम और इस अवार्ड के लिए।
I thank Prime Time for giving so much time for judging us and awarding us in this way, the grand program.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू फॉर योर वैल्यूएबल। ओप्स, सॉरी आपके लगी तो नहीं, आप इन्हीं के साथ हैं। सर, गुड इवनिंग, मैं आपका स्वागत करती हूँ आज की शाम में, और मैं आपका नाम जानना चाहती हूँ और आपकी डेजिग्नेशन और आपके इंस्टीट्यूट का नाम।
My name is Mohammad Yusufani and my school's name is Green Valley Educational Institute. That's a +2 school, intermediate college, and we have more than 3,000. It is in Srinagar.
सर, एक कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ है जो आपकी यहाँ पे सोसाइटी में ड्रॉबैक हो और जिससे आप अभी भी स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं?
Actually, it is difficult to run school in those situations in Srinagar. How it is going? Inshallah, it is going up to our expectation and up to expectation of the people.
पर सर, फिर भी कहीं एक हिम्मत है, वो हिम्मत की लॉ का कारण?
It is motivation from the students. Whenever we see our students bright and everywhere, so we get motivated, we get appreciated, so we are going on.
सर, ब्यूटीफुल एफर्ट्स बाय यू। और सर, अब कुछ प्राइम टाइम के लिए और इस अवार्ड के लिए।
Prime time, I think this is actually the job of a government to come to appreciate our work. But Prime Time as a private organization is doing it, just appreciable always.
एंड सर, नो डाउट कि श्रीनगर के गारमेंट्स, दे आर ऑलवेज एक्सक्लूसिव वन। थैंक यू फॉर योर वैल्यूएबल टाइम। गुड इवनिंग, मैं आपका नाम, आपकी डेजिग्नेशन और साथ ही साथ आपके इंस्टीट्यूट का नाम।
मेरा नाम है, माय नेम इज़ मिस्टर कैसर, आई एम फ्रॉम ऑरेंज इंटरनेशनल प्ले स्कूल।
सर, ऐसी क्या चीज़ है जिसने आपके प्ले स्कूल को बेस्ट बनाया एज कम्पेयर टू अदर?
We have done a lot of research, and after that we mixed up all that research, and then we put it in that, so it make it something different, and it is very, like, right now there's no, somewhere you will not find it in Srinagar.
आपको सब पर्सनली क्या लगता है कि आपके इस प्ले स्कूल से क्या चेंजेस आए हैं जो पहले नहीं थे?
चेंजेस ये आएंगे कि लोगों को पता चलेगा कि प्ले स्कूल का एक्चुअली कंसेप्ट क्या है। इट इज़ नॉट एक्चुअली यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर बिफोर दैट, दे यूज्ड टू से इट्स अ प्रिपरेटरी स्कूल। इट्स नॉट एक्चुअली प्रिपरेटरी स्कूल, इट्स समथिंग डिफरेंट विच यू हैव टू गिव टू द पीपल कि लाइक ये बच्चे को थोड़ा अलग ही फील है कि जब से माँ के पेट से आया है, सिर्फ माँ बाप को देखा, कुछ अलग एक माहौल सा देखेगा।
सर, बिल्कुल। अब कुछ अल्फाज प्राइम टाइम के लिए और इस छोटे से अवार्ड के लिए जो हमने आपको सलाम की तरह दिया है।
सॉरी?
जो हमने आपको सलाम की तरह दिया है।
I am very I appreciate Prime Time's job. They are doing it very well. There are some small things they need to work out. We'll definitely write them an email about that.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू फॉर योर वैल्यूएबल। सर, मैं आपका स्वागत करती हूँ, अभिनंदन करती हूँ, वेलकम करती हूँ। मैं आपका नाम, आपके इंस्टीट्यूट का नाम और आपकी डेजिग्नेशन जानना चाहूँगी।
मेरा नाम है इजाज़ अहमद, मैं एज एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर वहाँ हूँ। ये कमरिया कॉलेज ऑफ एजुकेशन श्रीनगर से, ये गांदरबल में पढ़ता है, बादामपुरा गांदरबल। जी मैम।
सर, ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जो आपने सबसे ज़्यादा पुट करी है एजुकेशन को और क्वालिफाई करने के लिए?
हमेशा हमारी कोशिश रही है इंस्टीट्यूशन में और बाकी लोगों की कि इस इदारे को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बेहतर बनाया जाए, और आम लोगों जो अभी घर में बैठे थे, जिनको तालीम की तरफ कोई तवज्जो नहीं था, उनको हमने रागिब किया। और एक हमने मोटो रखा है कि एक रवींद्रनाथ टैगोर सेज ए गीतांजलि, ए कैंडल विदाउट लीट कैन नॉट लाइट अदर्स। हमने कोशिश की कि सबको शिक्षा दे और बेहतर से बेहतर तालीम फराहम की।
सर, आपका मैसेज बहुत ही खूबसूरत है और साथ ही साथ आपका एम। अब मैं जानना चाहूँगी कुछ शब्द प्राइम टाइम के लिए कि आपको हमारे एफर्ट्स कैसे लगे, और साथ ही साथ इस छोटे से अवार्ड के लिए जो हमने आपको दिया है।
सबसे बड़ी बात है, ये छोटा सा अवार्ड नहीं है, हमारे लिए एक बड़ा अवार्ड है और हम खुश नसीब समझते हैं और शुक्रगुजार है प्राइम टाइम के, जिन्होंने हमें इसके लिए चुना है। थैंक यू, थैंक यू,
थैंक यू सर। सर, बेहद स्वागत करती हूँ मैं आपका यहाँ पे। मैं आपका नाम, डेजिग्नेशन और साथ ही साथ आपके इंस्टीट्यूट का नाम जानना चाहूँगी।
मेरा नाम प्रकाश गुप्ता है, मेरा इंस्टीट्यूट का नाम है ब्राइट एजुकेशन सर्विस, वेस्ट बंगाल में है।
सर, ऐसे कौन से एफर्ट्स हैं जो आपके इंस्टीट्यूट को डिफरेंट बनाते हैं और एक क्रांति जिसे हम कह सकते हैं एजुकेशन में लाते हैं?
Because we are one of the consultancy which gives a proper service. We are one of the platform कि जितने भी स्टूडेंट लोग इतने कॉलेज खोजते हैं, इतना स्ट्रगल करते हैं, हम लोग सिलीगुड़ी में बैठ के वी कैन गिव देम अ राइट डिसीजन एंड राइट काउंसलिंग.
Sir, I know this award is small for you, but how you are feeling with this award, and few words for prime time.
बिफोर ड्यूरिंग स्कूल टाइम वी यूज्ड टू गेट अवार्ड. वो लगता था स्टार्टिंग है, आज इस मुकाम में अवार्ड मिलना लगता है कुछ अचीवमेंट. इट्स ड्यू हार्ड वर्क एंड सक्सेस.
So, a message for your own students, please.
I really want to give a message to my students that whenever you need any career counseling, you can always drop in to get our services as we are offered.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable time. I'm very good, sir. I would like to know your name, designation, and your institute name first.
My name is Bhaskar K. Devendra Kanaya. I'm running an Institute for a Language, Cambridge Institute in Mumbai. Almost 13 years I have experience different languages like French, German, Spanish, Italian, Russian, Japanese, Chinese, Arabic, and Portuguese. This is a language after learning a people they go to abroad. They survive there. Like if you know the language, they can survive. They can work there. They settle down there. This kind of crowds come at my place, and plus I do for a corporate training that is like Mahindra's, L&T, Johnson & Johnson company, KP Sangvi. This kind of a crowd at my institute, the people are coming, and successfully I'm very happy. And today I'm in Google also in number 1 position, and today thanks for Prime Times who made me very appreciate and motivate, and today I'm glad I'm here today, ma'am.
Sir, I would like to ask one more thing, that what is the thing that make your institute best one?
Best means we make the person to speak the language, and we make them to give the international exam also. And then many students in a yearly, there are 1200 students, they passed on for international exam, and they go to an abroad, they in touch with us, and they give the feedback. Like we are after completing in Cambridge Institute the languages, and we are very happy we can move around the cities. They'll be not blank on that way.
So, very well said, sir. Now few words for Prime Time and for this award.
Thanks, ma'am. Thank you. There was a lovely evening was there today, and thanks for you also. Made me very happy to came here. Thanks for Prime Time, ma'am.
Sir, our pleasure. Thank you. Hello, sir. First of all, I welcome you, and I would like to know your name, your designation, as well as your institute name.
Yeah, I am Sam Stephen, Director of eCareer Plus Info India Private Limited, Madurai. Okay.
And sir, a message for youth.
Yeah, actually we started our institution in the year of 2010. Actually we are providing different type of technical and non-technical training in our institution, like mobile, computer, auto networking, laptop, chip level servicing, and embedded, as well as PLC, SCADA, like this courses.
So what is that thing which can change, which can change the atmosphere, present scenario and atmosphere in academics?
Yeah, actually nowadays everyone know about that one thing. Unemployment is a major cause in India. Okay, that's why we are choosing this field, because we can create an engineers with our own ideas to become an entrepreneur. That is our main goal, to go with that.
Okay, sir, you have huge plan in academics line, it seems so. So few words for Prime Time and for the small award.
Yeah, first of all I would like to thank Prime Time, because there is a different type of legends in different places. You just gather in a single place. It is a nice experience for me to join with this. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Hello, sir. Very warm welcome. I would like to know your name, your designation, as well as your school name.
Right. My name is Bharat Goyal. I am the director for Bharatiya International School in Rudapur, Uttarakhand.
Okay, so what make your school's best school among other?
Probably the best thing about our school is that it is a dream school for everybody, all the teachers, parents, students, me, myself, and all of us are very dedicated. We've dreamt it always. Whenever anybody joins Bharatiyam, we ask him one simple question, that what do you want your school to be? And if you find any of those qualities in this school, then only join this school, else don't.
So it is for you and others a dream come true?
Yes, it is a dream. I don't know if it has come true till now, but we are still in a growing phase and we are working hard towards it. And since we are always very receptive people, we listen to everybody, and that makes Bharatiyam one of the best international schools in Uttarakhand.
So very well said, sir. Few words for Prime Time and as well as for the small award.
it is very nice to receive an award at a national level. And Prime Time as an organization is working very good, and getting to know people in the education domain who are doing good and actually being able to appraise them is a good effort in this particular domain.
Thank you, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am. A warm welcome. And sir, ma'am, I would like to know your name, designation, and your institute name first of all.
Basically, I'm Sandeep Raga and I'm handling CMC Limited Regional Head for the Education and Training Division.
And ma'am, you?
I'm Dr. Cherry Jain from CMC Limited Jaipur campus.
A message for youth as well as on this society, like which seems to be difficult to change.
Ma'am, basically, everyone wants to impart education, but no one is working on a proper policy, proper manner to improve it. So that must be improved.
How we can improve it or change it?
See, it's the planning and the policy shouldn't be only on papers. They should be implemented, as was told by Ms. Najma Heptullah and Mr. Anand Kumar. Everything, like they are making very good policies, but they are on papers. No one is working seriously as in say schools. There are not proper facilities available. They are not encouraging rural as well as urban students to really get educated. Just it's grab a degree, nothing more than that.
Sir, your opinions on it?
Basically, people take citizen on a commercial basis, but not on a service basis. Like for education, it's a service industry. Okay, people should take it as a service industry. They should go in the market on a service basis, not on a commercialized basis. If the people think it's in commercial, we have to earn, the things will not go on improvement. Okay, they have to go for the service, and the things will go and improve automatically.
So, ma'am, few words for Prime Time and as well as for this award.
Basically, Prime Time is doing great work because this segment, like education, this is a more kind of a negligible. There are a lot of companies who are giving and appreciating other areas, but not an education area. So the Prime Time is doing great work by giving appreciation to education industry, and more than each and every segment of the education industry. Basically, it's education, play, school, coachings, or it's in any other area, commercialized area. So I think they are doing great work. They should keep it going on.
And ma'am, your opinions and view?
Definitely this kind of effort will encourage those institutions and those persons, those who are working but not up to the mark. This will definitely encourage them to work hard for them, for the students.
Thank you.
Two categories.
Okay. So, very, very warm welcome to you. I would like to know your name, designation, as well as...
Hitesh, principal in Rajasthan Engineering College.
So, your institution name?
Sadhguru Seva Mandal Polytechnic College.
Okay, sir. What make your school and institution best among others?
Basically, Rajasthan is a rural area where students are not so much educated. But we will provide education for tribal students who take study from our institutes and take job from many industries and companies. That's why.
What are the prejudices among, like in front of which you are fighting for?
Basically, we provide best educations in Rajasthan. We used faculty from IITs, NITs, and that's why we are best.
Okay, so very well said. So I would like to know your opinion about Prime Time as well as about this award.
Prime Time is a very good organization. He provides certification and awards for those type of institutes who have no name. Basically, he encourages institute to upgrade their education systems. That's why.
Thank you, sir. So a warm welcome to you in this evening.
Yep.
And sir, now I would like to know your name, your institute name, and your designation.
Well, I'm the director for Institute of Advanced Management Hotel Management School in Goa. The parent group is Indie Smart Group, and I am one of the directors there.
So what make your Hotel Management Institute best?
Well, we have, we believe in a lot of intrinsic level training to our students. We believe in giving quality education to the students, and of course, we are not an output driven organization, we are an input driven organization, which means we focus on the quality of the students all 3 years. We focus on the student development when it comes to knowledge, and if the input is good, output has to be good, and that's the reason we are 15 years. For the last 15 years, we are doing 100% campus placements, and our students are working around the globe, and that's the reason we are one of the best, not only in Goa but then around the country, I would say.
Okay, sir. Now, few words for Prime Time and for the small award.
An award is never small or big. It's basically, you're recognized by a lot of people, for the work you've done. And Prime Time, I would like to say thank you to them for organizing this and for acknowledging the hard work which has been put by the people across the country.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable time and your inspiration as well. Thank you. So, I would like to know your names, designation, and your institute name.
PK Jain, Chairman, Minerva Institute of Management and Technology, Dehradun.
Answer yours.
I'm Rakesh Jain, the colleague for him.
Okay, sir. So, what make your institute best among others?
We are initially with the vision of promoting employment opportunity courses in Uttarakhand. And we have taken care of 100% practical training within the campus for the courses we are running into.
So, the things with which you are struggling for making your institute more better and best among others and among anything and anyone?
Sincerity with the students in imparting them the education. We have already held 2 fashion shows which shows how students have performed and excelled in their work, and it has been very well appreciated by the fashion industry as well.
So now few words for Prime Time and for the small award.
We are very thankful to Prime Time, and they are promoting, they are encouraging the institute. It's a very good part of it.
Answer from your side.
See, we are a very young institute, about 5 years old. Started this, one of the courses is fashion design, and to get such recognition is a big motivation for going further and taking it further.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hello, sir. Good evening. I would like to know your name and your designation and your institute name.
Ma'am, myself Professor Anuranjan Mishra from Bhagwant University, Ajmer, and I am Dean Academics there.
Okay, sir. So, what thing makes your institute best among others and separate identity?
Our institute is innovation based, research based institute. We are doing some research areas, even if we have many branches like aeronautical branches and other branches in which our university is conducting the research also, and our placement is best. We are provide about 200% placement. So in these manners, our university is best.
So what are the obstacles in your way?
Actually,
in raising education more and
actually you are getting that the engineering education is going down because we are unable, some institutes are not providing the quality. Those quality is to be maintained, and definitely if the students are placed, education must be innovation based. If it is innovation based, industry based, definitely all people will get placement. All students get placement. If they get good placement, definitely the university and the country get the name and fame from that.
So now few words for Prime Time and for the small award.
Okay, Prime Time is a very good organization who is recognizing, at least who is recognizing the institution, so that others will also come to get the awards, because everyone want to get the recognition. So I will like to thank Prime Time. Because of that, they are recognizing the people, they are giving these institutes as the best, and these gets the award. Others are inspiring things, these are gets the award. So we will also fulfill the conditions, so next year we will also get the award.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable time and precious words.
Thank you very much.
Very, very warm welcome in this beautiful evening and on this auspicious occasion. So first of all, I would like to know the name of yours.
This is Shakti Abhishek, and I am CEO of AB Lab Solutions.
And sir, about you?
Arun Kumar Garg, Director of AB Lab Solution.
Okay, sir. So, few words for your institution, which makes your institution best among others.
Yeah, we basically are AB Lab Solutions, and as far as we got the award as Best Educational Technology Company in India. We are best because it's on technology field that is concerned about all about we are doing on robotics, embedded system, electronic designing, circuit designing, all things. What we have done till now is we are one of the oldest robotics and embedded system technology development company in India. And apart from that, we have served more than 900 engineering colleges across India and Nepal. No company has done till now that. And we were recognized late. We did the hard work. Thanks to Prime Time for that. But it was like doing so many tie-ups with IITs also. We are in tie-ups with all the IITs right now. So as far as best is concerned, definitely. We are manufacturers, we are doing trainings, workshops, everything across India and definitely outside the India also.
So what was the thorny obstacles in the way for making your institute successful? What are the thorny obstacles?
It was all about we were entrepreneurs. We just did our BTech and MTech. We started our company when we were even in the BTech stage only. We started that, and the thorny stage were definitely financial stuff. Apart from that, the environment was the factor, the resources were the factor. But still, we just thought in the mind that definitely we had to do something. We are interested in this field, and India is an automation booming market. So definitely we had to do something different. We have to contribute to the nation, to the students, and what we did is, this is what you.
So, sir, interest is which encourage you again and again.
Definitely, and this is the suggestion to all the students across India or whatever nation, that it's all about the interest. If you're interested in anything, definitely you can do anything in life. That's it.
So now few words for Prime Time and for this small award.
Actually, it is a very big award for us because we are best. We have been saying to all the people, to the India, they know us like that. But it is all about the recognition if we are getting from something like Prime Time or whatever. So I'm really thankful to Prime Time that we got this recognition. Definitely, this is what a best publicity for us. And definitely we are going to do that, the publicity and marketing after getting this.
और सर कुछ वर्ड अब आपकी तरफ से आपको कैसा लग रहा है इस अवार्ड के साथ?
Feeling good. We have been working for the last 4.5 years. This is the first award that we are getting for the best technology company in the India.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable time. Welcome. First of all, I would like to know your name, your designation, and your institute name.
My institution name is Greenland Paramedical Institution. It's from Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar, and I'm the director of the institution.
Sir. सर मैं कुछ बातें जानना चाहूँगी आपसे कि ऐसी कौन सी दिक्कतें रहीं, तकलीफ़ें रहीं जिन्होंने आपको परेशान तो किया होगा, लेकिन किसी एक चीज़ ने आपको उससे उभारा, उस चीज़ के बारे में, उस हिम्मत के बारे में और साथ साथ उस दिक्कत के बारे में हम आज यहाँ जानना चाहेंगे।
दिक्कत यही थी, जब हम स्टूडेंट्स हुआ करते थे तब पता चलता था टीचर्स के साथ क्या हुआ। आज हम वहाँ उस साइड में आ गए, टेबल के इस साइड में आ गए। उन्हीं दिक्कतों से, मुश्किलों से जूझते ताकि हमारे स्टूडेंट्स उन मुश्किलों में जूझ ना जाए वापस।
सर अब कुछ शब्द आप प्राइम टाइम के बारे में और इस अवार्ड के लिए।
गुड अप्रिसिएशन, they are giving us a good appreciation, especially being a teacher. They are good people.
Okay, sir. So a message for society and for students.
For society, at least for my sake, everyone, teach one, each one.
So very nice motto and message. Thank you for your valuable time. A very warm welcome, sir, in this beautiful evening and on this auspicious occasion. Sir, सबसे पहले मैं आपका नाम, आपकी डेजिग्नेशन और आपके इंस्टीट्यूट का नाम जानना चाहूँगी।
I am Rakesh Sharma, General Manager Corporate Relations from CG Mantra Digital Media Academy. We are an animation and VFX institute.
सर क्या है जो आपके इंस्टीट्यूट को अलग बनाता है और उसके बाद बेस्ट बनाता है?
See, I tell you, as far as in North India is concerned, we are the only Autodesk authorized training center, and we have the biggest infrastructure as far as animation institutes are concerned, with the multi-studio facilities with us. That makes us entirely different than other institutes present in this NCR area.
So please throw some words and your own opinion about success.
Regarding which success you are talking about?
So about success, achieving your goals, ambitions for students and for yourself and for all the masses.
See, let me make it clear to you that since we have been awarded as the best institute in NCR, that is because of our own commitments with our students. We do take care and impart the best education with them as far as animation and VFX is concerned. And then we do take care about their placements, which we have unique with us. There's none who is providing placements in animation and VFX.
Okay, sir. So it shows that you are best. And so now few words for Prime Time and for the small award.
Prime Time has did a good effort as far as arranging these awards and specifically for education. They should be there in India, and they are really giving a good, an enthusiasm to the educationists to do best and justice with their students and to make a best education imparting in India with all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your beautiful and precious words and for your valuable time.
Thank you.
Start karo?
You can India.
A very, very warm welcome, first of all. And now I would like to know your name, your institution name, and your designation.
Yeah, I'm Rupa. I'm from Noble Institute of Education Society. I am the president and founder of Noble Institute of Education Society. It's at Electronic City.
Answer you.
I'm Lakshmi Pati, director of Noble Institute of Education Society.
Okay, sir. So, ma'am, one question from you. What made your institute best?
Maybe a step-by-step initiative what we have taken, and the hard work what we have put, and timely planning and organization. Of course, our staff and our director's support.
So, initiatives are necessary, and what makes step by step to the success?
Basically, we follow the quality QCD concept. We follow, that is quality, cost, and delivery. These three parameter keep for our success. This is a basic concept. First, we take into quality. We knew very well if you chase the quality, quantity will chase. So that is what we could come number one in Karnataka.
What type of obstacles you are facing, like in front of getting your success? What are the obstacles in between you and your success?
Maybe the first thing is policies, and
what type of policies?
Basically, we get the gap between the academic and the practical knowledge. So what we give like academic, they face problem in industry, that is job oriented. So we bridge that gap. So apart from academic, we also fill the gap of the industry requirement. So that is a challenge we face.
Okay, now sir, ma'am, few words for Prime Time and for the small award.
We are really very much happy to receive this award because Prime Time is recognizing the hard work and we feel this type of recognition is really required for everybody who are doing this kind of initiatives. I really appreciate Prime Time for that.
And sir, from your side.
Yeah, really you have taken a very good step initiative for a kind of institutions. It is on type of encouragement, you can say it's a tonic for us. So we wish you all the best, and upcoming years also you want to do still more ahead step. All the best, you do a good job.
Thank you for your wishes and valuable time.
Thank you.
So very very warm welcome in this beautiful evening. मैं आपका नाम, आपकी डेजिग्नेशन और आपके इंस्टीट्यूट के बारे में और उसका नाम जानना चाहूँगी.
I'm Anand Ramesh. I'm the director and chief mentor of Maya Academy of Advanced Cinematics in Anna Nagar, Chennai. And we have been doing training in animation, visual effects and filmmaking and editing and such for about 9 years now. And it's been really happy that we got this award today.
What make your training institute best among others?
I would say it's the team, it's the trainers that make our institute special, because our team of trainers it's so handpicked. Every one of them is individually handpicked. Each one of them is are certified instructors. They have about 8 to 10 years of teaching experience each, and they also are a very active part of the film industry today. So apart from teaching, they also work on films every day. So they bring real-time knowledge of the industry into the academy. That makes it more special.
So very correct thing. A lot is in your institute. So now few words for Prime Time and for this award.
Yeah, Primetime has been doing a wonderful thing, and we are really encouraged to improve ourselves after receiving an award like this, because as people say, after receiving an award, the responsibility on the institution winning the award becomes multifold. So we'll have to now do our best to live up to the name.
So beautiful words, and thank you for you.